Is there a crisis in physics? No, there's no crisis in physics. Physics is very much alive with new discoveries and new papers being published on the archive every single day. Sometimes people talk about the crisis in fundamental physics, meaning the things that we take for granted in order to do some of the the more kind of cutting edge research. What are the things that we take for granted, you might ask? Well, just quantum mechanics in general. Quantum mechanics has certain axioms about making measurements. So what are these kind of ideas that people are not so comfortable with within the foundations of quantum mechanics? The time of arrival problem. The time of arrival problem feels like a big one. Quantum mechanics has mechanics in the name. When you think of mechanics, you think of motion. When I think of motion, I think about tracking some particle moving through space, right? And you should be able to tell me if some particle starts out somewhere and has some initial conditions, where and when it's going to end up. The time of arrival problem in quantum mechanics is maybe best described by taking an electron and firing it at a screen. You can't tell me what time the electron's going to get there. Only probabilistically can you tell what time the electron's going to get there. That's a big problem for the ontology of the theory, for sure.